Do you remember the triple EMA strategy I showcased many months ago? That strategy, despite it's one of the simplest strategy I ever created, is still listed as the second best strategy in our strategy ranking spreadsheet. So I decided to take another look at it and optimize it for another asset and time frame combination. Maybe it can perform well not only on Ethereum 15-minute chart, but on, for example, the BTCUSDT 10-minute chart. So I optimized the strategy for the Bitcoin 10-minute chart and the results did not disappoint me. In this video, I will explain once again the full triple EMA strategy, showcase you the new optimized settings and the backtest results. We will also take a look on where this optimization is placed in the strategy ranking spreadsheet. And the best part, as usual, this strategy is also free for everyone. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, open up TradingView and set up the BTCUSDT 10-minute chart. Once you got that, let's set our indicators. For this strategy, we will use 3 different moving averages and 1 stop loss indicator. The first moving average is the triangle moving average or TMA. Click on this one by Everget. The second one is the DEMA or double EMA. This is a built-in one, so click on this one. And the third is the SMMA or RMA. Add this one. And for the stop loss, the usual NNFX ATR. Click on this one. Okay, we have all of the indicators on the chart, but we need to change a few settings. For the first EMA, which is the triangular moving average or TMA, set its length to 6. And I'm using the default colorings. For the second moving average, the DEMA, set the length to 30. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the source should be set to open at all 3. I will color it yellow, for example. And for the third MA, the SMMA, set its length to 700. The source is open again. And in the styles tab, change its color, for example, white. Okay, we have the 3 EMAs. What about the stop loss and take profit? On the NNFX ATR, set the X value, which is its length or period, to 20. The TP multiplier or take profit level to 22. And the SL or stop loss multiplier to 11. In the styles tab, make sure that all the line styles are set to step line and untick the main ATR. And with that, everything is correctly set up. So now let's see the entry and exit rules. This strategy is a long only strategy. And here we have a very long entry. For a very long entry, first of all, the price needs to close above the slowest moving average, the SMMA, which is this white line, and that's the case here. And the second rule is that the TMA, which is the fastest moving average here, this one, should cross above the second fastest moving average, the DEMA, this yellow line. The cross up occurred right there, so this is a very long entry signal. Entry at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. Now the stop loss will be placed at the lower NNFX ATR line, the red one, and the take profit to the upper NNFX ATR line, the blue one. Now with this strategy, we will update the stop loss and take profit level in an unusual way. So whenever we get a new valid entry signal, so the price is above the white line and the TMA crosses above the DEMA, we will update the stop loss and take profit levels to that new level. And this update is true in any cases. So even if we get a stop loss level at a lower level, we will move our stop loss to that level. And if we get a lower take profit level, we will also move the take profit level lower. I usually don't use this option, but with this script, I thought I will try this. So let's see what happens. We see no more cross ups here, but here we have a cross down. So if we would get a cross up and the price is still above the SMMA, then that would be a stop loss and take profit update. And as you can see here, we have a buy signal, and that's because if we zoom in, this should have counted as a cross up. You just barely see it. But yes, that's a cross up. So on this candle, we will update our stop loss and take profit levels. Let's see where's the new level. Stop loss will be moved here. And the take profit right there. And you can see multiple more buy signals which printed by the script, which means that there are valid long entry signals. But I won't go over all of them. Let's see how the trade ends out. So here was the entry. That's where the long entry is printed. Where is the exit? And it's there. So the trade would have been closed right there. First you might be confused why, but if you take a closer look, this was the latest buy signal. So the stop loss and take profit level will be set according to that candles and NFX ATR bands. So take profit there and stop loss there. And yes, that's why the script exited the position right there. So overall this was a profitable trade, but it took a while to close. And that's it. This is the simplest strategy I have ever showcased on TradeSmart AI, yet its previous optimization is among the best ones. If you are interested about that original video, you can either click on the pop-up in the top right corner or you can find it in the description. And now let's see the backtest results. For the backtest, I will be using a $10,000 initial capital with a $20,000 order size. Pyramiding is set to 1, the commission is 0.1% on each entry and exit, and the slippage is 2 ticks. The backtest will be done on the BTCUSDT 10-minute chart and on the last 4-year time interval. The start date is the 1st of September 2020 and the end date is 1st of September 2024. Let's generate the results. And here are the results, and it's pretty interesting. So looking at the buy and hold equity curve, which is this blue line, this strategy ended up right where the buy and hold. But on the other hand, Bitcoin had a huge 60 or 80% drawdown when the bear market hit, while this script stayed relatively flat in that period and managed to climb up after. During these 4 years, the script generated 212 trades, which means 470% net profit, with a 24% maximum drawdown. That is pretty good. We also have a 41% win rate and a 1.6 profit factor. Now I always say that always check the after optimization date performance to see if a strategy can still hold up outside of the optimization range. Let's see. So I turn off the deep backtesting function and these will be the latest trades. And as you can see, it's still performing quite well. So this strategy might have some potential. Now, I would recommend still monitoring it for a few months, but of course, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Now let's take a look on higher and lower time frames. Maybe it will perform well on those two. First, the 5-minute. The 5-minute is losing, so that's not better. The 15-minute. The 15-minute is good and it outperforms the buy and hold and it has a nice profit factor. The 30-minute. It's still profitable, but now the buy and hold is better. The 1 hour, it's profitable too and it outperforms the buy and hold. 2 hour, that's good too, but slightly under the buy and hold. And let's see the daily. And that's profitable too, but only 3 trades and it didn't outperform the buy and hold. What about the few other assets? Let's see Ethereum first. It's profitable. I will check the 4-year performance, I'm interested about that. Well, it is profitable, but the buy and hold is much better. What about BNB? That's losing. Aptos is losing too. And let's see Gala for example. And Gala is profitable. It's pretty good actually, 168% net profit with a 30% maximum drawdown. Let's see the deep backtest of that. Well, the deep backtest looks a bit sketchy because we had a huge winner right here. But overall it seems profitable. Okay, but how you can get access to the full script? To get access to the full script, go down into the description, there will be a Google Drive link as usual. Open that up and it will lead you to the full source code for free. No email address is needed, nothing, you can simply just copy the whole code. Once you got that, come back to TradingView, open up the Pine editor here at the bottom, click here, click on Create New and Strategy. Now highlight everything here, delete it, paste the code right there and click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, you will see the full strategy added to your chart here. Now these are the optimized setting of this strategy optimization and the properties tab again. Now let's see where this strategy optimization is placed among all the strategies I have tested so far. And here is the strategy ranking spreadsheet, and today's strategy was the simple triple MA strategy for Bitcoin 10-minute chart. Out of the around 40 strategies I've tested so far, this optimization is placed at the 18th place. It's in the top 50%. In this spreadsheet you can find all the details of the backtest, and at the end I will put the YouTube video links and the download links of the scripts. This spreadsheet is also linked down in the description. As always, thank you all for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, it really helps out this channel. If you want to learn how to code simple strategy scripts with zero coding knowledge using ChatGPT, check out this video. Or for another profitable strategy, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.